Kids, you must obviously have a question about ice ages. We have had ice ages in the past, as we've been talking about, but what about now? Are we going to have an ice age soon? Well, you remember the orbital parameters, the ellipticity, the obliquity, and the precession. They can be calculated very precisely thanks to the mathematics of the orbital mechanics and all the information we have about the gravitational pull of other planets in the solar system. Milutin Milankovitch figured this out many centuries ago, but what really matters beyond the orbital parameters is that internal feedbacks matter, and the biggest one is the ice albedo feedback. Okay, so the changes you get in the incoming energy or the distribution of the solar energy across the planet is tiny compared to the amplification we get because of internal feedbacks. And it's critical where these changes happen. If you change radiation at high latitudes, then a small change of a 1 watt per meter squared or 2 watts per meter squared can begin to melt a glacier that's already there, or begin to start growing a glacier if that's not already there. In the tropics, such small changes will not immediately make much difference, even though you may increase or decrease evaporation and have water vapor feedbacks. But high latitudes, polar latitudes, are the prime candidates for making these small changes in energy balance and go running with building an ice age or melting away an ice age. We are melting away the ice age right now, well, in the sense that we're in a warm ice age with glaciers over Greenland and Antarctica and many mountains like the Alps and the Himalaya. Are we going to go into an ice age? Well, we should be cooling according to the orbital mechanics right now, but because of the increasing greenhouse gases, we are actually not cooling as we should be. If we go back 30 million years ago, since the start of the last ice age, we kept cooling mostly because we drew down CO2, maybe because the Himalayas came up and a lot of material got weathered. And remember, weathering takes down carbon dioxide because H2O plus CO2 gives you acid, weathers rocks, which takes out CO2. So essentially we are delaying the next ice age with our greenhouse gas emissions. Okay.